Hey, what's up guys, once again welcome back to my channel. So today we are drawing a simple practice object in SolidWorks. So let's start. This is our object. It's very simple. So this is our SolidWorks interface. Go to the new, then go to the part. Firstly select all the planes and click on show. Then click on front plane and click on sketch. Now draw the circle. Again we need to draw the circle at inside or the outside. Give the diameter to that circle as 100 mm and inside circle diameter as 64 mm in diameters. Now we need to choose the line command, then draw the random line, random horizontal line, and give the dimension to the origin as 75 mm and line length as 25 mm. And the end point of the line to the origin distance as 3 mm. Now choose the line command and extend the line from the end point up to the circle, but which need to be vertical. Then again choose the line command and extend another circle. Now choose the center line command. Now choose mirror entities. Now choose the entities to mirror or the lines which we need to mirror. Select the two line and mirror about, that is our center line. Click on OK. Now trim the remaining portion. Now we need to draw the rectangle for the vertical cut. Then choose the object center. Now we need to equal that center. So select the center point of the rectangle bottom side and the object center bottom side and give the relation between them as vertical. Now give the dimension to that rectangle as 6 mm. So it equally divides 3 mm to the left side and right side. Now trim the remaining lines to get our profile. There is no need to give the vertical dimension. So choose the trim entity command. Trim the remaining lines. Now similarly that, trim the bottom sides. Now again give the dimensions to that remaining parts to get fully defined sketch. Now we need to draw right side portion, so choose the center line and give the dimension to that center line to get us directly the center of the another circle. So give the dimension to that center line as 100 mm. With the reference to that point we can draw the circles, so draw the two circles and give the dimension as 50 mm in diameter and 25 mm in diameter. And just draw the lines. Draw the random lines which we can trim when our sketch is complete. So let me give the dimension to that lines as 5 mm distance between the center line to the above line or the upper line. Mirror that line with respect to the center line. Click on OK. Now trim the remaining lines by using trim entity command. Now our sketch is complete. Only give the dimension to that lines. Then exit sketch. Then go to the extrude boss and choose the extruded length as 48 mm as per our sketch. Select 48 mm. Now we need to draw the rib type structure between that two circles and also circle. So we go with the firstly circle, extrude cut circle, then select that face and draw the circle.